There's something satisfying about watching glass come back to life. Here we are cleaning the exterior windows using a pure water-fed pole system, safely removing everyday dirt, salt, and environmental buildup without harsh chemicals. It's an effective and low-impact method that delivers reliable results on homes of all shapes and sizes across the Mornington Peninsula. Balcony and balustrade glass is cleaned using the same purified water system. This ensures the glass dries naturally, leaving no residue and no streaks behind. Inside the home, traditional window cleaning techniques take over. Using a mop and squeegee, the kitchen windows are carefully cleaned to restore clarity and remove everyday marks and fingerprints. Clean internal glass allows natural light to move freely through the home and makes interior spaces feel fresher and more comfortable. At the front entry, wide sweeping arches with a wagtail are used to clean the door glass evenly from edge to edge. This method ensures a consistent finish across the entire pane and creates a clear, welcoming first impression as you enter the home. Upstairs, the scale of the glass becomes more noticeable. Larger panes and elevated positions require a careful, controlled approach to ensure every section is cleaned thoroughly. When done properly, clean glass enhances the view rather than drawing attention to itself. From inside the home, the glass almost disappears, allowing the surrounding landscape and open outlook to take center stage. The connection between inside and outside feels seamless when the glass is properly cleaned and maintained. As the camera pans across the balcony areas, spar glass, and reflective windows, the quality of the finish becomes clear. Reflections are sharp, edges are clean, and the glass is left consistent across different surfaces and materials. These details become especially noticeable in slower shots where the finish has time to speak for itself. Moving around to the front of the home, the design may be more understated, but the same level of care is applied. Every window is cleaned with consistency, ensuring the home presents well from the street while still matching the quality of the more detailed areas at the rear. For more information, visit stayclear.com.au or call or SMS 0429 440 380 to discuss your home.